Hi guys, we at the mall. We at Mall of Africa. My hair charges over. The service just done. Sana, the way I was so late, my shoelaces weren't even tied. When Hambis went and is it loose? Need to sort out this hair real quick. Was still depositing some cash, so I'm waiting for him.
Trust me, the way that you trust me, cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I love to see me from your point of view.
Hey guys, we're at Mr. Price now. Okay. And they can go in. These are the shoes that I saw online, y'all. And I got them here because I saw the black ones. Online I saw these exact ones, and then at the store, some few stores I saw the black ones, which I didn't really like. These are the ones that I love. These are the ones that I like. They don't really look that good on camera, but in person, baby. And they're just 200 bucks. Very stable, I guess. Should be comfy, but it doesn't even matter if they aren't. That's the heel. I love them, guys. These are nice, but not for my frame.
It's okay right here. It's okay right. Okay right here. It's okay right. It's okay right here. It's okay right. Okay right here. It's okay right. It's okay right here. It's okay right.
Delete. Hi everyone. Hi my besties. I hope y'all are good. Oh, did I even show you my nails? No. I attempted to do a gel sit. It was crappy. I need rubber base. I think I need rubber base, and then I need rubber base and I need clear tips. Then the gel nails will eat. But for now, we're just gonna focus on acrylic because I did my sister's nails yesterday. I'll just show you right here. They are flat. I've seen that when I was done, just kind of reviewing everything. The nails were flat. One shape was not shaping, but it wasn't really bad. One nail wasn't really shaping as well as I would like it to be, and the nails are flat. Of course, I still need to learn more on design, but let's just make sure the prepping is good, the shaping is good as well, and the application of the acrylic is good as well. If we can get that, then we can move on to the next things peacefully. I like how messy my eyebrows are. I don't know why, they're just giving me, I like them like this, but I know people are gonna, but I like them messy, but it's fine. Guess what day? Okay, what day is it today? It's the 18th of December. My hair is not even done, guys. Now I'm not even motivated to go braid my hair. Like in G, I'm just not motivated enough to do so, which is fine. Guess what? The washing machine arrives today, and I am so happy. I am so happy, y'all. They just sent an SMS saying it's out for delivery, and they'll send to the tracking link as soon as they're hitting my route. So yeah, guys, I hope you all are good. Doesn't really feel like December. Too early, or maybe it's because I'm doing my hair is not done or whatever. My nail is broken in half. Don't know if you all can see that. Like from this part going up like this, but on this one, don't know if it's that visible or whatnot, but yeah, you can see that. So I guess I'm not gonna have nails. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove this orange gel, and I need to get different gels because this quality is just okay for your Frenchies, but I don't think I would like to have a gel nail with such quality of gel. No, that's one thing I'm also learning. We learn as we go, guys. We learn as we go. I did place an order for the nail gel armrest. What art brushes? Yeah, not much, nothing much. I need to get a table so that I can start, calling my people in when they pay me. Even if it's just lower prices, you can trust to get that. Yeah. That's an update. See you when the machine gets here. I am back. Tell you what, the weather it's cloudy outside. Yeah. This is the machine. This is the washing machine, guys. Let's unbox it together. On the face, no. Don't run away, don't run away. No, these days I'll feel great, it's okay. Here on my own, but not for long. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Yes, the twin made 900 gram. 9 kg. That's what I know. This is where your plumbing stuff goes in. The max 55 degrees Celsius wash. It's by Defy. Washing timer, of course, it's 15 minutes. We all know that. It's either your normal one or your gentle wash, or this is other functions, right? Or you drain the wash programs, right? Then the spin timer, which is the drying timer. So you can only spin for 5 minutes. Didn't really know that. See, guys, it's enough. The size is enough for the both of us. Yeah. It's small. It's not the size that I wanted, but it will do. These are the pipes. The water source pipe, the draining pipe. Yeah. It's small. It's not too small, yeah, but it's small for my liking, yeah. But that's what 2 people can do with, right? User manual or what specifications? The DTT169 twin tub washing machine. Customer care laundry instruction manual and specifications. Blocked drain, that's what you do. Caution, what not to do. Something was. Oh, it's this thing. Don't know where to put it, but yeah. Just leave it in there. The dryer. Just leave this in here. Let me check. Morning, guys. It's a laundry day and the machine is working fine. You see, I can rest. The only problem is manually filling the machine. That's the problem, but don't mind this. We'll take it out when it's trash day. That way, it's raining, so I'm not in the mood to be picking up wet boxes, man, because I'll have to clean up my mess, right? It will be my mess. So I'm just putting it here, and then when trash day comes, I'll take it out. You see, he's relaxing, like guys, no bending over, no shisangilanga, whatnot. She gets him having breakfast. I'm going to do all my loads, then put it in a. Okay, let me swallow. I'm going to do all my loads, then put it in a washing basket, then drain out the water. Put some more water. It's just 2 buckets to rinse the clothes. After rinsing, drain out the water. And then am I gonna use Stay Soft? If I wanna use Stay Soft, I have to do that again. Then spin the clothes. Yeah. The only downside of having a manual machine is that the loads when it washes, yeah. I feel sleepy. The whole vibration thing, it just makes me sleep. It makes me sleep, that's what I know. But then it's fine. Lucy stepped out to do some wheel alignment stuff, whatever, and I also asked him to get me some manoma because I ran out. I need to do my other sisters. Okay, I need to do all my sisters' nails. Yeah, and there's another girl who wants me to do her nails. So, and then yeah, guys, we shall see. That's just an update. I look crusty, but I'll get to bath after doing laundry. Ciao. I'm done bathing now. Let's just do a skincare. I don't have cotton pads, guys. They ran out. Okay. My cotton pads ran out. So I'm not gonna stress myself, no. I need to buy them though, because I don't know if this is working. But yeah. This has been working pretty well for me. It doesn't when some people when they use Gentle Magic, they get super lighter, and you see that this is not necessarily their complexion because the entire body is a different thingy. My body doesn't have even skin tone. Like if I but I think it works very well on your super light skin girls. Oh, this burns. It works well on your super light skinned girls because I've seen it work well on. There was a girl we used to stay with, Gores Kitando. Dental Magic treated her so well. And then I got a roommate. The roommate will also use Dental Magic. Yone, yes, she was pretty. She really was pretty, and face wise, sharp. It was doing what it had to do. Mara, it was making her lighter because the rest of her body wasn't really like that. Like she was chocolate. She was like maybe a shade or two darker than me. So, but then uyamthini umuntu. What are you gonna say? Umuntu mafuna uwamhlophe. Ngiyadlala guys. Mara nation, her skin was nice, just that none. What annoyed me was the fact that it would make her skin, her facial skin, lighter than the rest of her body. This doesn't. This just makes everything look good. You know, like that dewy finish. You know, not the sweaty type of one, but like, yeah, I've been getting a lot of skin compliments. I naturally have good skin, so yeah. But this just puts everything, makes everything look nice, which I like. Don't put a lot, otherwise it's a sore.